to let f from set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 thence to set of a comma b comma c be 1 1 and on to function given by f of 1 equal to a, f of 2 equal to b and f of 3 equal to c, so that there exists a function g from a comma b comma c thence to 1 comma 2 comma 3 such that g composition f equal to ix and f composition g equal to ix, where x is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 and y is equal to set of a comma b comma c. Solution: consider the function g from a comma b comma c thence to 1 comma 2 comma 3 as g of a equal to 1 and g of b is equal to 2, g of c equal to 3. This function is considered. Now g composition f, this is equal to g of g composition f, the elements in the domain f, domain of f. So g composition f of 1, this is equal to g of f of 1, g of f of 1, f of 1 is equal to a, so g of a is equal to, I define g of a is equal to 1. Next, g composition f of 2, the next element of the domain of f, this is equal to g of f of 2, g of f of 2 equal to b, g of b is equal to 2. Then g composition f of 3, g of f of 3 equal to g of f of 3 is equal to c, g of c equal to 3. Therefore g composition f of x is equal to x for all x belongs to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Therefore g composition f equal to ix. Next one, f composition g. First, f composition g of a, this is f of g of a, g of a is equal to 1, so f of 1 is equal to a, and here a to a, domain in a, codomain also a. F composition g of b, f of g of b is equal to f of g of b is equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to b, domain and codomain are same. Then f composition g of c, f of g of c is equal to f of 3 is equal to c. Therefore f composition g of y equal to y for all y belongs to a comma b comma c. Therefore f composition g is equal to identity function is y.